Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and access Google Center Tracker on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Google Center Tracker and press enter. Click on the official Google Center Tracker website from the result. This is the safest and easiest way to access it. Now, here is the thing: Google Center Tracker is mainly a web app, so you don't need to install anything. You can use it directly in your browser without downloading. But if you want quick access like an app, you can install it as shortcut. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on More Tools, then Create Shortcut. Give it a name like Center Tracker and click Create. You will have a shortcut on your desktop. You just need to click it anytime to open Google Center Tracker instantly. Once you open it, you will see a colorful map and countdown to Christmas Eve. You can click Track Santa to watch him deliver gifts in real time. There are also fun games and activities you can enjoy while waiting for Santa. And that's it. We have successfully downloaded or accessed Google Center Tracker on our PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.